Hey, in front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this REALME. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down, then tap on Privacy section. Now we need to select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features, in my case camera. Over here you need to select one of your apps, in my case Booking.com, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. And as you can see, after that, Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, tap on any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with Location, tap on Chrome, and scroll all the way down. Now click on See All Chrome Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!